Hi everyone, welcome to At Home's YouTube channel. I am Siddhi Karwa, interior stylist and a content creator. And today I'm here to show you some very interesting decor styling video. This YouTube channel is your one-stop for all your furnishing and decor related videos. Today I'm going to show you how you can get up for all the festivities ahead, have a beautiful setup, call your friends and family over and use all your at-home products to style your dining table. And so yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. The theme that I'm going with is a very rustic, minimalistic theme because my dining is a very farmhouse rustic table. So I'm going to continue that. I'm going to add a yellow, which is my personal favorite color, and it also is a very festive color in general. So yeah, I'm going to play with a lot of whites and browns and add that hint of yellow as a statement color. So yeah, I'm going to start with putting a very neutral color tablecloth. I'm going to quickly put some mats, again following the rustic theme. Okay, so starting with your main dinner plate. I love this white plate that I chose from At Home because of this really elegant golden detail here. It's absolutely minimalistic, yet it's like the right amount of statement that you need in the product. And also this really self detail, like this texture, which is like a self texture on the plate. Also the right amount of detailing that you need, nothing too much, nothing too less. White plates, dinner plates with a golden detail. Now we go with the small plates. Okay, so the next dinnerware piece are these bowls, again super gorgeous. Now we are going to do the smaller bowls. Okay, I'm very excited right now because this is my favorite piece. I love the design. They are so elegant and rich looking, and I feel like you go so minimalistic on the table, but when you just place this tiny little thing here, it just lifts up your whole space and it just makes it look so rich automatically. Okay, so this one is our main centerpiece for our dining table setup today that I love. It's going to be the focal point of our dining table, and I chose a golden tray because it kind of like stands out, and it also at the same time brings everything together because of these golden edges on the entire dining ware. These are your table napkins, and you can finally fully explore your talent. I'm just going to make a triangle first and then make a diamond out of it. I think this is like the most basic thing. Okay, this is our show time now, finally going to the festive part of the table setup, and also because it's Gende ka Phool, it's already a very traditional Indian flower, so it automatically makes it Diwali ready. So yeah, just gonna put like a few hints of Gende ka Phool on my tablecloth first. So my most recommended product would be these LED candles. It's not just for a festival, you can just use it for everyday purpose or like a small party to just have a mood in the house and do like a dim light setting. I would any day go with these candles than the actual ones. Since we had a box of 6 glasses and we have 2 of them left, I thought we'll use it for a decor element rather than just letting them go. To give them a festive feel, I'm going to fill these up with Gende ka Phool and make that a decor element. So my last element is just a table runner. These are in Creepers Farm, which I really like because now you can use these as table runners instead. Make sure you place it a little zigzag. Okay, so are we ready to see what we finally did? It's the big reveal moment. In 3, 2, 1, ta! The grand moment of how I set up my festive dining table. I love how simple, minimal, yet very warm, inviting and soothing it feels. It's something everyone can do at their own houses. I wanted to keep it very relatable so that you don't have any problem or it doesn't feel very intimidating to try this at home. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. There are a lot more decor videos coming soon. Like this video, share it if you like it, put some comments. I'm here for your feedback, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali in advance. Take care. Bye.